So we are discussing a basic concept of software testing. What is software? What is software testing? What is error? What is bug? What is failure? So let me discuss. So first, what is software? Software is a collection of computer programs that helps us to perform a task. Type of software. There is three types of software. First, system software. Second, programming software. Third is application software. So system software, for example, we have device drivers, operating systems, servers, utilities. In programming softwares there is compilers, debuggers, etc. In application software there is web applications, mobile applications, desktop applications. Then what is software testing? Software testing is a part of software development process. Software testing is an activity to detect, identify the defects in the software. The objective of testing is to release quality product to the client. Software quality. Quality is defined as justification of all the requirements of a customer in a product. Quality is not defined in the product, it is defined in the customer's mind. Quality software is reasonably. Our software is bug free. We are delivered on time our software. Software is under the budget of our customer, meets requirement or expectations. Our software is maintainable. So what is product versus project? If software application is developed for a specific customer based on the requirement, then it is called as project. Suppose we are developing a software for any institution, for any school, that is a project. When we are developing a software for multiple customers, it is known as product. Suppose we have one example like Amazon, which is e-commerce company. Multiple customer can go there and shop the utensils or things which they needed. So that is product. So what is error, bug, and failure? Error: any incorrect human action that produce a problem in the system is called an error. Suppose we have a Paytm. In this Paytm, when we are putting the amount and send to the receiver, then we have some error. Our amount is not sending. That is error. Then bug: deviation from expected behavior to the actual behavior of the system is called as defect. Suppose we have one module. There is login page. So in this login page, there is username, password, and press button, login button. When we are putting a invalid username and invalid password and then press to the login button, then we are able to log in the next module. That is a bug in our software. Then failure: the deviation identified the end user while using the system is called as failure. Why the software has bug normally? Miscommunication with our customer or no communication, software complexity, programming error, error in our code, changing requirement according to customers, lack of skilled testers. That is the main reason of bug arises normally. Thank you all of you for watching this video. I hope this video is very helpful for all of you. Give your support and love. Do like, subscribe, and share our channel. Press bell icon for latest update.